Hello. Hey. Hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Charlie. Hello, Papa. Hello, Charlie. Charlie. Tickles. Hello, baby. Wilf's on one again, isn't he? Wilfie on one. Hey, Charlie. Oh, baby boo. Have we finished? Oh, is that it? Good. Oh no, it isn't. There's some tickles. There's some tickles. Are you going to tell me off? Tickles. Head down. Tickles, Will. No, he says I'm not in the mood. Oh, that was a racket. Isn't it? You two. Falling out. Raving Cass? Oh no, scratchy. Hello. Wave. Casper. Hello, cutie. Hello, cutie. That wasn't a step, actually, Kev. Can I have my finger back before you two fight? Charlie, be nice. Now then, jealous bums.
Oi.
Oi, what's all the oi? What are your feathers doing here?
Oi.
Casper, be nice. Leave him alone.
Oi.
Boys, I was only stroking one ear. Don't want to get jealous. Charlie, what was all that about? What was all that about? He was only having tickles. Wasn't he? What? Did you get jealous?
Come on.
Come on then, what's that meant to mean? You're not going to punch up, you know. Jealous bums, aren't you? Is he jealous, Casper? Was he jealous of tickles? Was he? Oh, sweetheart. What's up, Charlie? What a matter, cutie man? No, tickles. Tickles, head down then. I'm not putting my finger in because you'll nibble me. Don't you? Not like your dad, are you? You swine. You don't do that to your dad? No, you don't. No, you got a feather on your beak. Yes, I know. Yes, I know, sweetheart. That'll be down soon, won't it? Hey, Casper. He's my sexy boy. With them tickly feet. Tickle those toes. Nice. Your toes tickled. Yeah. Oh. Charlie. Hey, you cutie. Should I tickle your toes? Are you going to tell me off? He says, yes, I am. Don't even go. Aren't I even allowed to touch your toes today? Are we on one? Okie dokie. You got a wet toenail, Charlie. Be nice. Oh, you did get jealous, you two. Don't you get jealous of each other? Charlie, what are you doing? Casper. Casper.
Oi.
Hi, Wilf. Hey, Wilf. Hey, you cutie. Got tickles. Come on, oh, put your head down then. Head down. Come on out. Oh, am I honoured? Darling. Good boy. Oh, that was nice. Makes a change what you usually let me to, don't you? Lily. You're getting hair all over my chairs. Don't care, do you? You're going to have to go out soon, sweetie, so the birdies can come out. Yeah. Say bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.